Hey guys, it's Mike from Any Development, and I'm going to answer a community question here real quick. It was on how to use like a pop-up window that would you put a text box and stuff in, and then you can use the information that they put in there into other parts of your program. So let's see. Let's go ahead and do File, New, Project, Windows Form Application. I'm just going to name mine Pop-Up Example. You guys can name it whatever you want. Okay, once it loads up, we'll go over here in the Solution Explorer, right click on your project, add Windows Form, and what we're going to do here is we're just simply going to make the window that's going to be popping up. So we'll do user info. It'll be like we're taking some information from the user. Alright, now that that's made, let's go over and get us some text boxes here. Drag a text box out. Control C, Control V, copy and paste that over. We're going to get 3 of them here. Alright, let's go through and name each one. Alright, I'm going to name mine TXT underscore F name. I'm going to do TXT underscore L name. Or sorry, M name, middle name. And make this one TXT underscore L name for last name. Alright, let's go over here and get us some labels. Pull a label out. Control C, Control V, Control V, and paste it in. Alright, we're not going to worry about the names of these. Since we're not going to be referencing them in our code, we don't really need to worry about what their names are. We do need to set their text, however. So we'll do first name, middle name, and we'll do last name. Let's go ahead and clean it up a little bit here. Drag it over to wherever you guys want it. Over here. Okay, let's get us a button. Drag this button over. We'll set the text to update info. Okay. You can name the button if you want, but where we're going to be using the form designer to attach the event handler, it's fine. So if you'll just double click this button, and we will go in here and put first off, what we need to do is come up here and make our fields. So string, first name, middle name, last name. Then we need some properties. So I'll go ahead and region this off. Okay, so we're going to need a public string first name, and that is just going to return the value stored in F name. Now let's go ahead and copy this, paste and paste. This will be middle, and it will return the M name. This will be last name, and this will return the L name. Now we're going to use these properties on the other form to get the information. So what we're going to do here is come down to the event handler for when I click the button. We're going to get the TXT underscore F name. Oh, I'm sorry, doing it backwards here. So get F name equals TXT underscore F name dot text. Same thing for the middle name. And then the last name, of course. Okay, and then we want to close the form. This dot close. Alright, so what's going to happen is they'll fill the information out, hit this button, and as they're hitting the button, it's going to update the variables and then close the form. Okay, so now we have that. Let's go over here to their form 1, and we just need 3 labels real quick. 1, copy paste, 2, and 3. Alright, these are going to update as we push the button here. So let's get us a button. And let's set the text to update. Or I'm sorry. Get info. Or we can do update info, I guess. Update user info. Okay, drag it out here so it actually looks better. Alright. Let's just drag it. Oops. Go back to the design view. There we go. Get these labels, put them up here. Put the button right here. And we'll resize our form to look a little bit better. So now these right here are just label 1, 2, and 3. The name is that. So we'll just double click this. So you can go into your event handler. All you're going to do is do user info, which is the class we just made, or the form we just made. So user info, my user equals new user info, and then you're going to do my user equals dot show dialog. Alright, and now after we get the dialog front, we're going to take and let's see here, we will put label 1 dot text equals my user dot first name, label 2 dot text equals my user dot middle name, and label 3 dot text equals my user dot last name. So this is one way you can do it here. So I'll go ahead and run it. Alright, so you see the initial text values are label 1, 2, 3, update user info. Since we're using show dialog, we can't click back out of this until we actually get rid of this. So my name is, I didn't spell name right, but update info, it updates it. Come back in here, you can do it again. Test info here. That's going to update it. So you can use that to change the value if you know stuff on the form. You can use it to put into variables and different things like that. Hopefully this is what you was looking for. If not, just let me know and I'll work up something else for you. But I hope this was informative. Hope this is something that you can use, and I will see you next time.